Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Equipment Remarketing. I'm going to give you a nice video of a 2009 Moffett M50 with 1,631 hours. This baby has a 5,000 pound lifting weight, and the lifting height is 10 foot. Now this is a rare machine. It's a two-way, and they're getting hard to come by because the markets right now, as of today, is flooded with four-ways. And this is a nice machine ready to go. It's been fully refurbished. What we do, ladies and gentlemen, is take the roll cage off, the diamond plate, the seat, and then we clean everything real nice, and then we put a nice two-stage paint job. As you can see, it shines nicely. You're gonna look professional on the job when you buy this one. It's been refurbished. What we do is we find anything wrong with it, we repair it. If it looks good, we leave it go. Therefore, refurbished. Some places we put pins, some places we put roller bearings here in the mast. This thing also has a backrest, which is kind of rare in a Moffett, but you get that included in the price. Now we're gonna walk around and I'm gonna show you how nice everything is. You got a nice oil gauge here, and we're gonna walk around. You can see the tires are nice. As I said, about 80% tires left. All the new paint, refurbished machine. This has the Kubota engine in it, and it runs really nice. It's pre-emissions, and a 2009 is ultra rare, ladies and gentlemen. This is a Moffett M50. This thing lifts 5,000 pounds. Now I'm gonna walk around, and then Kerry's gonna hop on. He's gonna show you how nice the Kubota engine runs. He's gonna show you the hydraulics, the mast going up and down, side shift, in and out on the carriage, and mast tilts. As you can see, it's no growling, no struggling. Got a great pump, great hydraulics. Got your mast moving in and out. We got tilt and side shift, ladies and gentlemen. We also have outriggers for your big heavy loads. Lift them up, suck them in over the tires, and get rolling. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to show you that the hydraulic motors work nicely. As you can see, no throttle lull, and she just goes nicely. Look how fast it moves, ladies and gentlemen. This is a great machine, and it's a hard to find deal. I doubt it'll last long on our website, so what I'd like you to do is check us out at 99lifts.com. You can also give us a call at 260-238-4998. Our machines come with an operational guarantee. What that means is this thing will come to you in the condition that we have presented it here today, or we're gonna help you get it going the way it should be. Also, ladies and gentlemen, you get a 1-month engine warranty. Thank you for checking out our video, and thanks so much.